Hello everyone, welcome to this Batch 611 Demo Day. Woo! So very nice to meet you. My name is Manon, as you all know. I am the Marketing and Events Officer of Wagon Melbourne, so the team here. And today is quite special because we're celebrating the last day of 10 weeks of very, very hard work. And it was really amazing because we had students coming from all over Australia to get, the proper campus experience, Melbourne experience. So of course, they had to experience a lockdown in true Victoria fashion, right? So we had to do everything remotely for a couple weeks. But in the end, all is well. We are here today. We're streaming from the campus, and it's been just, true Melbourne fashion indeed. And we're also super happy because we have Ongling who joined us from Sydney for the last week. We're really happy to have you and very grateful that you came all the way. And we also want to give a shout out to Shankar. We really wish you were here. And yeah, we miss you a lot, but thank you for joining us even remotely. So yeah, talking of project weeks, that's exactly what today is about actually. Because for the past couple weeks, the students have been working very hard on developing the two websites that you're about to see. They coded it from scratch in Teams, so it's pure developing, hardcore web developing work that you're gonna see tonight. Honestly, we've been saying it over and over, but the entire team was so impressed with the work that you did. Yeah, we're just amazed. And for everyone watching us right now, you are in for a great, great, great time. No pressure whatsoever. So yeah, before we start, I really want to give a big round of applause because you've worked so hard with everything that was thrown at your face, all, the challenges and everything. So really, thank you for working so hard and so diligently. Let's give a big round of applause. Amazing. So now that you can see this maxi spoiler behind me, we'll just have the first team. So the first team is Team Releasey, which is Hillel and presented by Matt.
Cool. Hey everyone, I'm Matt and this is Hillel. Don't know if you can see him, but he's off screen. He'll be clicking for us today. This morning, I got a text from a friend asking if I'd seen the new Hiatus Coyote album. And I unfortunately had to respond no. Now, Hiatus Coyote are a really cool band from Melbourne, actually. And I really love them. I've loved them for years now, and I've been dying to get my hands on this latest release. But I missed it, and that's frustrating. And so today, I had to take a deep breath, and I had to figure out how can I make sure this doesn't happen again? How can I make sure that I don't have to experience FOMO anymore? So I remembered that I'd signed up for Releasey before. And I know that Releasey is the one-stop shop for me to track releases from my favorite creators. So today we're gonna check out some music. So let's see what we have on Releasey for new releases. So if we come here, we can see pretty good layout here. You can see all these albums. Oh wow, Tyler the Creator, Stimulator Jones, really cool. I kind of listened to this after the presentation, but it's really easy to see that all these releases have been coming out, and you can go pretty far back, which is pretty cool. But you can kind of see here, no Hiatus Coyote, but maybe check the calendar for a sec. That's pretty cool as well. This is a different way of kind of seeing what we've got, like which albums have come out and when. Maybe even in the future we could see upcoming releases. That would be really cool. But for now, looks like we don't have Hiatus Coyote on this list, so something must have gone wrong. I don't know. I maybe didn't follow them. So let's see. Let's check and see if I'm following them. And we can come here and see that. Oh, wait a second. That's pretty cool. We can connect with Spotify. Let's do that. It seems like if we maybe connect with Spotify, then Releasey will be able to grab my favorite artists from Spotify, save them to my account, and then I won't have to worry about this. No more FOMO. So pretty cool. Super quick. All these artists have been added now. These are some of my favorites here. This is really cool. We can have a little look. Rubens, 21 Pilots, pretty cool. Mallrat, love it. So yeah, let's just follow them all. Let's get them all in here so we don't have to worry about this anymore. We'll just let Spotify and Releasey take care of it for us. So you can see it's going here, and just like that, all these artists are now in my account. I don't have to worry anymore. This just, it's been taken care of for me. So let's have a little look through. Let's see what we've gotten here. Who we looking at? Got some, yeah, right. Lime cordial, very cool. Let's see. This is great. So a lot of these people we just saw on Spotify now directly added into our profile. So I keep getting distracted. Let's look for hiatus coyote. Do we have? No, nothing. Okay, so interesting. So we've got stuff from Spotify, but we're still missing a step. We didn't get hiatus coyote just yet. So let's see. And you can even tell that Releasey has grabbed my profile picture from Spotify. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. I love this. This is great. But look, let's just go. Let's check and see if we can find hiatus coyote. Oh, that's pretty cool, though. Hold on one sec. This is pretty cool because it looks like Releasey is recommending artists for me. I actually really like a lot of these people. This is cool. It's answering questions for me before I've even asked them. This is great. Let's see. Let's maybe follow Bombay Bicycle Club. I really like them. Haven't heard them in years. Maybe they put some stuff out. The Kooks, classic. Let's grab that as well. And pretty cool. These like the artist photos look like they're kind of floating a little bit. That's really nice. But sorry, I keep getting distracted. Let's just search for hiatus coyote. I need to see what's going on here. So, perfect. Just like that, we've got hiatus coyote now. We have them right on this results list, just straight from Spotify. So I'm going to follow them, and I'm going to finally end this and make sure that I don't have to deal with this anymore. So let's go back to this new releases page and have a look. And look at that right there, Mood Valiant, hiatus coyote, and you can even see. I've got all these other releases added in now from all these artists I just grabbed from Spotify. So it's just taking care of this for me automatically. I didn't have to do anything. That's great. But I really can't wait. I got to listen to this album now. So can we see if we can go to Spotify for a sec? Oh, that's so cool. Just straight into Spotify, right onto it. Just play a few seconds of it and just see. I don't know. Why not? Maybe. We love them in Melbourne, so you gotta put it on anyway just for a bit. Very good. Oh, really cool. I'm not going to waste your time here and play it for you. We can do it later, but I'll do it on my own time. But this is great. I feel like I've now solved my problem. I don't have to worry about this FOMO anymore. I know that Releasey's taking care of it for me, and I don't have to worry about it. So thank you, Releasey, and that has been Releasey.
Thank you so much, Releasey team. Congratulations. It was so much work for just the two of you, so you can really, really be proud of yourself because, yeah, we've been so impressed by everything that you were able to put together. It's actually really funny because when the other team saw this yesterday, Ongling just went, "Is that real? Like, is that actually working? Can I use this?" And the answer is yes. Everything is true. Everything that you saw works. Perfect. So now we're going to have the second team of the day, which is as equally amazing. Let's welcome Mountain Maps, which is Julia, Jorge, Ongling, and presented by Andrew.
Okay, hi guys. I'm Andrew. This is Jorge at the controls, and we have Julia and Hong in the audience. So I've been coding hard for 10 weeks, and I need a holiday. It's time to go mountain biking. So the mountain biking world has gotten so big in the last few years. There's fantastic mountain biking trails all over the world. It can be really overwhelming trying to find one that's just right for me. So that's why I use mountain maps. So where do I want to go? I hear that there's a great mountain biking scene in Codrona in New Zealand. It's not quite the season for it now. It's a bit snowy. So I think I'm going to check out Whistler in Canada. Let's have a look. So here I am in the beautiful Canadian Rockies and the famous Whistler Mountain Bike Park. So look at all these trails. Where do I even start? There's too much. So I'm going to have a look at what I've got here. It's been a while since I've been riding. I'm a bit rusty. I think I'll start off with something easy. Let's see what we have. Okay. Easy does it. That sounds like it might be a good place to start. Let's have a look. Okay, looks like some people have uploaded some photos on this trail already. Looks like they're having a good time. It might be a little bit too easy for me. Let's see what people have to say. Bobby had a good time. Manon, not so much. But she's French, so that's okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to go for something a bit more challenging. So, what do we have? You know what, I might take a look at a double black diamond trail, just out of curiosity, see what's available. These look a bit scary. Fade to black. Let's see what that one's all about. Okay, he's not having a very good day. And that looks like a very big jump. Maybe this is not for me. Maybe next time. So I've heard about this really famous trail called Top of the World. Supposed to have some fantastic views. So I'm going to go ahead and search for that one. Here we go. Let's check it out. Great location. Nice Canadian lakes. Beautiful mountains. Looks like people have uploaded some photos on this one as well. Let's take a look. Looks nice. Yeah, beautiful. I think this is the one for me. So I'm gonna grab my gear and go for a ride. Okay, I've had a fantastic day on the mountain. I didn't run into any beginners. I didn't break any bones. I found just the right trail for me. I even got a really great photo that my friend took at the top of the mountain. And I want to upload it and share it with the Mountain Maps community. So it was right about here. I'm going to go ahead and upload that photo. Cool, check that out. What a view. All right, and while I'm here, I might as well leave a review so other people know a bit about the trail. So, okay, great views, great weather, great trail. Can't wait for next time. Gonna post that review. Cool. So next time I need an adrenaline hit and get some downhill fun, I'm gonna use Mountain Maps to plan my adventure.
Well, thank you so much, Mountain Maps. You should have seen this, like every time the 3D map was coming up, if they had $1 for every gasp, they would have been so rich by now. We're also like, what? Yeah, incredible work. You made it look so easy to do when I still have no idea of any of that is coded. So amazing teamwork and amazing job in general. Really, you can also be very, very, very proud of yourself. Yeah, let's just give a big round of applause for everyone. So here we are, that's it. It's the final day of week number 10. Quite a big step, this demo day, and just realizing how much you can do in just 2 weeks. But of course, it would just never happen without our amazing teaching team. So I really want to give a big, big round of applause to George, Cam, Cass, Sheila, Sai, Shivika, Rob, Ian, Tom, Yurek, Ray, and Marty. Thank you for passing your knowledge and passion, because that really showed today. And yeah, it's always amazing having you. And yeah, every single batch, it's never the same, and it's always the same passion and love for the students. So we're really grateful for that. Thank you to the students. You've been such a joy to work with. That's quoting George, actually. He said that exact sentence. It was just so great to see you being so patient with one another, pair programming, and just taking time to, help one another out if you were better with front end, back end, just helping one another out. So I think you really learned a lot of really important lessons there as well. So congratulations for that, and we're very grateful that you, just went on that journey of trying to really work together. So thank you. So today is the start of a new chapter, the Tech Life chapter for many of you. We're actually super excited to get the Career Week starting next week, and to go on this journey with you and see in 1 year time where you're going to be and all the projects you're going to be up to. So we're super excited to see that. So for people who are watching us today, if you're wondering how to get on one of these many, many tech paths, take a look at this amazing deck of slides that we have here. So yeah, we are Le Wagon. So we are a coding and data science bootcamp. We are in 45 cities around the world, which is crazy. I have to update that number constantly. It's growing so much these days. So yeah, this is us. And to tell you more about our courses, so this is the web development part. So basically, yeah, you can go to the next one. This is how it goes. You have a prep work to start with, and then we go through teaching you the foundations, all the concepts, and you know, it's that bit of a confusing stage because you don't really know what you're going to do with it. Ongling's like, yes. Then you go to more of a design and interacting with the user phase, which is also very important, right? It's great if you have a very good backend, but the interaction with the user is so important. And then we get to what you saw tonight, so the projects, and actually realizing, oh my God, I can do this thing from A to Z. So that's pretty much the outline of our bootcamp. And so this is the full-time and part-time. You just saw the full-time, so they were there for 10 weeks, 9 to 5, classic, 5 days per week. But there is a format for people who cannot afford to, just quit their job because they have a job, which is fair enough. So if you want to upskill in your current position, you can absolutely join us on the part-time. So it's exactly the same phases, exactly the same content, but spread over 2 evenings and Saturdays for 24 weeks. And you also get the same career services. Everything is the same, just spread out so you can also work at the same time. In terms of our next intakes, we have a batch starting on July 12th, which is very exciting. We're still accepting very last-time applications, so go for it. And then we have a part-time starting on August 7th for another 24 weeks. And we'll see soon the part-time, the current part-time that we have presenting their own projects. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming up. If you have more questions, which I'm sure you do, you can join us on Zoom on July 19th. I'm going to be posting the link for people who are interested. And yeah, that's how you can ask every single question that you have to our team. So that's it for web dev. And then we have the data science course, which is the novelty of Le Wagon. It's been around for a year and a half now. So you'll see that it's quite similar. So also quite a lot of prep work, just to be sure that you're comfortable with Python, mathematics, all of that. And then it's taking that knowledge and applying it to data science, which is really exciting because it's things you knew, but how to apply them to data science context, right? And then you get to dive into these super exciting things like decision science, machine learning, deep learning, just learning things that seem still pretty crazy to almost all humans. And then you get to work on actual companies' data sets, and you work on real project as a team, exactly like you would do at a job. So you come out very prepared and very ready for your data science life. So that's it, and exactly the same principle as the full-time course. We have a part-time course. It's also running right now, and our students are just doing the craziest thing, and we're so excited to show you their demo day, which is also going to be fairly soon. For the next intakes, we have one full-time starting on July 19th. We're also accepting the last applies now. If you're interested, just go for it and try out the assessment and try out the, just see if you can get up to speed with the assessments and stuff. But don't be intimidated. I know it may sound intimidating, but you'll learn everything as you go. And then we have the part-time starting on August 28th. And yeah, we also have an open evening dedicated to data science, and that's on July 26th. Same, if you're interested, just send me an email or contact me in the Zoom chat, and I'll send you the link for these events. And of course, it's free. And that's it. So if you have any questions regarding doing a tech bootcamp, or just like, career questions, or if you're like, it's been a year, I really want to learn this, but I'm not really sure if it's going to fit in my career, all of that, Paul is the person to reach out to. He will have answered to all your questions and more. So you can contact him on his email. I'll just let that for a few seconds so you can screenshot it. Cool. It's just like on TikTok. you gotta leave people some time. And then if you're a company and you're watching us and you want to hire our alumni, and I'm sure you want to, which like it just makes sense, you can reach out to Julian. Julian just joined the team. We're so happy to have him. He's the program coordinator and hiring manager of the team. So any question that you have, if you want to run workshops with us, if you want to train the people that works at your company, is your guy. I'll also give you a few seconds to screenshot. Perfect. And that's it for today. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you for tuning in on Zoom. Thank you for coming here today. It's been such a pleasure, and that's a wrap for Batch 611.